Hi everybody, I'm C. If you're new, welcome. If you're already a subscriber, welcome back. Today is day 8 of our 12 days of socks. 12 days of socks. Woohoo! From FiveBelow. This is day 8 right here. The flower, see the little, I guess, the holly flower. I'm gonna have to Google that, but let's see. Ooh, it's red. Yeah, the box is just destroyed. It's fine. It's fine. We're fine. It's fine. Little ball. Polka dots. I love me some polka dots. Here's how they look. How cute. Lovely. Like candy cane polka dots. Super cute, super cute. Yay! I'm gonna give this pair to my wife because she loves her color red. Tune in tomorrow for day 9. We're almost done, y'all. We are almost done. Yay! Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and that subscribe button. Do good deeds, everybody. Peace out.